If you've ever dreamed of dining under the stars in a beautiful tropical setting, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into some stunning outdoor kitchen dining ideas that will transport your backyard into a tropical paradise. Let's get started on how to create the ultimate outdoor dining experience. First things first, embracing natural elements is key to achieving that tropical vibe. Think about incorporating materials like bamboo, teak, or rattan in your outdoor kitchen and dining area. These natural finishes not only blend beautifully with the landscape, but also create a warm, inviting atmosphere for your gatherings. Next up, let's talk about adding a chic bar area. A well-designed bar is perfect for entertaining and can be a focal point of your outdoor space. Use bright, colorful bar stools and stock your bar with tropical drinks. Think mojitos, piña coladas, and fresh fruit juices. Your guests will love grabbing a drink while enjoying the sunshine. Now let's focus on creating a cozy dining space. Opt for a large, sturdy dining table made of weather-resistant materials. Decorate the table with tropical-themed centerpieces. Think vibrant flowers, pineapples, or even seashells. This setup will make every meal feel like a vacation getaway. To enhance your tropical dining experience, consider adding a canopy or pergola for shade and elegance. Drape it with soft fabrics and add fairy lights or lanterns to create a magical ambiance in the evenings. This cozy nook will be the perfect spot for enjoying dinners under the stars. Next, let's talk about incorporating outdoor cooking appliances. A built-in grill or a pizza oven will take your culinary adventures to the next level. Imagine grilling fresh seafood or making homemade pizzas for your family and friends right in your backyard. It's the ultimate way to enjoy cooking outdoors. forget about the power of greenery. Use tropical plants like palms, hibiscus, and ferns to enhance your outdoor kitchen and dining area. These plants not only add beauty, but also help create a natural, lush environment that makes you feel like you're on an island vacation. Consider creating a relaxation zone adjacent to your dining area. Use comfortable lounge chairs, hammocks, or day beds where guests can unwind after a delicious meal. Add some colorful cushions and throw blankets for extra comfort, and you've got the perfect spot for post-dinner relaxation. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches and decor. Unique items like tropical-themed artwork, vibrant tableware, and fun serving platters will enhance your outdoor dining experience. These little details reflect your personality and make the space feel truly special, inviting everyone to gather and enjoy. And there you have it, some fantastic tropical outdoor kitchen dining ideas to transform your space into a paradise. Whether it's a cozy dinner with friends or a festive gathering, these tips will help you create an unforgettable experience. If you love these ideas, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiration, and hit that notification bell for our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and here's to many sunny days ahead in your tropical oasis.